Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are met. Check the game version and DLC so the Zlatan asset exists. Once done, gather the required currency, items, or reach the necessary quest level. Next, unlock any developer or cheat access if the method requires it, or position the right NPCs and triggers in your save. Do this now so the following actions will work predictably. Make sure autosave is off while you test to prevent unwanted permanent changes. Now you execute the core procedure. Trigger the specific quest chain or input the console commands precisely, because timing and syntax matter. Position your character and camera for the spawn or interaction window, and approach the NPC or object at the indicated angle. This prevents failed spawns. During execution, use the required input sequences and respect wait states. Pause when told and retry quickly if the spawn doesn't occur. These middle steps are fiddly, so stay patient and repeat until stable. Finish by securing Zlatan. Move him into a safe inventory or a dedicated save slot, then validate his appearance, stats, and any linked quest flags so nothing is broken later. Once done, test interactions and brief combat to confirm stability. If something goes wrong, the fastest fix is to reload a backup save, repeat the exact sequence, or adjust timing and position on the retry. One key tip: keep a clean backup before attempts so you can revert without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.